Power-packed performance with Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315IRH8 is built for those who demand power and efficiency. Featuring the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, this laptop ensures you can handle all your computing tasks seamlessly. Fast and reliable storage. Equipped with a 512GB SSD M.2 PCIe NVMe, the IdeaPad Slim 3 offers lightning-fast storage, ensuring quick boot times and rapid access to your files and applications. Sleek design with modern features. The Arctic grey color gives the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 a sophisticated and modern look. Running on Windows 11 Home. Processor: Intel Core i7-13620H 10-core. Storage: 512GB SSD M.2 NVMe. Memory: 16GB LPDDR5. Display: 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, Tennessee 250 nits anti-glare display. Keyboard non-backlit, English, EU. Touchpad: buttonless Mylar Surface Multi-Touch Touchpad, supports Precision Touchpad, PTP, 69 by 104 mm, 2.72 x 4.09 inches. Camera: HD 720p with privacy shutter. Audio chip: high definition, HD, audio. Speakers: user-facing stereo speakers. Battery: integrated 47 watt-hours. Ethernet: no onboard Ethernet. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX 2x2 plus BT 5.2.